Today we're going to be looking at market cap and beta. Market cap is defined by the share price multiplied by the shares outstanding. The market cap can be influenced by buybacks, splits, and second offerings, and that can lead to either dilution, which is more shares, or buybacks, which is less shares. Beta has a complicated definition, but we're going to simplify it. We're going to set SPY as the benchmark index. If a stock has high beta, then it's going to move higher percentages for every 1% of SPY movement. For example, Tesla has a beta of 2.3. For a 1% movement in SPY, Tesla would move 2.3%, whereas other companies like Pepsi have a lower beta of, say, 0.15. So for 1% movement in SPY, we'd see a 0.15% movement in Pepsi. Today we're going to demonstrate market cap and beta. So let's go ahead and add our filters, market cap and then beta. Let's go ahead and add node labels so we can see everything that's on the network. And we're going to drag out the large market cap and we're going to drag out the large beta. When we zoom in, you guys can see that most of these names are pretty much in the Mag 7. If you want more information about this, go to Vyfin.io, hit learn, scroll down to market cap and beta playbook. You can follow along from there. What we can expect from these large beta, large market cap names is for them to move high percentages relative to the S&P 500. When we zoom into market cap large and beta large, we see some of the Mag 7 names and a few others. What we can expect is that if SPY moves 1% and say Amazon has a beta of 1.31, that Amazon should be moving 1.31%. Now that we've inverted the mapping, we can zoom in and see that Pepsi, Gilead, and Amazon are the largest circles, which means they have the lowest beta. So let's take a look at their financials. If you want to give Vyfin a try, hit pricing, scroll down, and come down to Vyfin free. Hit create account. Sign up with just your email and you can have access to Vyfin for 7 days for free. No credit card required. AZN, strong financials, and their stock price, pretty stable. It's just been going sideways for quite a while now, since almost May of 24. Let's take a look at Gilead. Let's take a look at their charts. Looks like it challenged its high back in July of 23, and it's forming a pretty bearish bear flag all the way up. Something to watch out for. Let's take a look at the financials. Revenue's down slightly. Free cash flow has been sinking, so that's a little concerning. And let's take a look at Pepsi. See how the chart's looking. Slow and steady. Looks like it may have formed a rounding top from January 22 till September of 24. Looks like it's giving up a lot of the gains that it got, and it's already back to its April sort of 2020 highs. Okay. And let's take a look at their financials. Total revenues sort of faltered off. Free cash flows really restricted. Net income's fallen off. So not the best books, and the charts sort of confirm that as well. Thanks again for tuning in, everyone. See you in the next video.